Hey, this is Raul from Tutor Ming, and today we're looking at the family members in Chinese. So the first two are quite straightforward. 爸爸妈妈. 爸爸 is dad, and mama is mom. Of course, some people might actually want to know the formal way of calling the parents. You know, father, mother. 父亲 and 母亲. Father and mother. One more time. 父亲 and 母亲. So every sibling in your family will be called differently, depending on their age relative to yours, if they're older or younger. 姐姐 is older sister. 姐姐. 哥哥 is older brother. 哥哥. 弟弟 is younger brother. 弟弟. And 妹妹 is younger sister. 妹妹. So let's practice what we just saw. Let's pretend there's 7 people in my family. I got both my parents, an older sister, a younger sister, an older brother, and a younger brother as well. 他们是我爸爸妈妈. They are my parents. 她是我姐姐. She is my older sister. 她是我可爱的妹妹. She is my cute little sister. In case you missed it, 可爱 is cute. 他是我哥哥. 他很高. He is my older brother. He is very tall. 他是我弟弟. 他很小. He is my little brother. He is very small. 他们是我的家人. They are my family. Go to tutorming.com and get an actual Chinese class with native Chinese speakers. And let us know in the comments if you have any favorite siblings, whether it is your 姐姐, your 妹妹, your 哥哥, or 弟弟. Bye-bye.